Hey guys, this is Rob with the Liquid Minute. Just finishing up a pool real quick. Gonna show you something I just noticed, and it has to do with upgrading the OmniLogic software. So anyways, you can see our equipment pad is here, all brand new construction, and we've already got something. I'm gonna wake up the OmniPl, and we've already have an alarm. And that alarm says, if you can read that, there's one upgrade available. So I'm gonna tap the upgrade. I'm going to select the upgrade, check mark. I know I'm going a little quick, but trying to keep the video short. And it is going to go into a section that gets people a little confused. And what people need to do is select the upgrade that they're doing and then hit the check mark versus, I don't know what other people are doing. Then you always keep hitting check marks, it seems like. So it's going to begin the upgrade, and it is going to go through. It says do not interrupt, and definitely do not interrupt. Usually the upgrades are pretty quick. Sometimes they are not. You got to be patient. This one looks like it's going to go real quick, so we're going to stay with it for another minute or so. And oh wow, 100%. See how it flashed? So it's sometimes it'll just do that. Sometimes it takes a while, but it's updating the firmware. Kind of goes dark. We can always wake it back up, but it still was doing what it needed to do. And we're going to finish this out. It's a pretty simple process, but people do get confused at that one area where they're not selecting the upgrade that they are putting in and then hitting the check mark. So we're probably going to go real fast here at the end. Yep, a little bit more. Boom, we're 100%. Check mark. Sometimes you got to hit it twice. System's up to date. I go back, tell it to reboot. MSP is restarting. I'm going to stop it here, but you guys got it. Thanks for checking in on a Liquid Minute. Have a great day.